Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today, and this is how to make text animation in Canva part 2. So the first step you have to do is to give the page a color. Give it any color of your choice. Type short, make it bigger and set it in the middle. Centralize it. Then you will have to download the image first. So you download it as JPG to your device. And after downloading it, you delete the the text on the page. Delete it. Then you upload the image that you downloaded. Align it with the page if it's not aligned. And after doing that, you duplicate the image. Align it together as well. So the first duplicate, you adjust it to the middle. Then you click on the second image, you adjust that one to the middle as well. Then you duplicate the page. So after duplicating the page, then you set the image apart. Yes, like this. Set it apart. Then now you add the text. Now you add the down text. We are doing shut down. So you can give it any font of your choice. You can give it any font you want. I think this is fine. Yeah, this is okay. So you stretch it out to the middle. Then you copy the text, the down text. You copy it, move to the first page, then you paste it there. So now you click on layer, then you send it back. So after doing that, click on the three dots, then you add the transition, then click on match and move. You can adjust the seconds if you want it, and if not, you click done. So now you can preview your text animation, and there it is. And if you find this video helpful or you like what you watched, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your notification for more design tips like this and for more text animation video like this. See you next time. Peace out.